thank you all for being here. Welcome to the Blue Collar Golf Simulator channel. I'm Spike, and well, today we got a new edition coming for the simulator. Today I'm really excited. I got the Square Golf launch monitor coming, and I am really happy to see this. I want to get it done and get it played. I'm ready to play some golf with it. So yeah, be here in a few minutes. We'll get it checked out and open up the box for you, okay? Let's go. Oh, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button while I'm waiting on it to get here, guys. Give me something to do. Mailordergolf.com, guys. This is us. Okay, guys. Hey, it's here. Let's open this thing up and see what's in it. Y'all ready? I'm ready to see it. Let's go. There we go. And there we go. Got it. Okay. Pop the end of it off that way. All right. Square Golf Home Edition, guys. Kind of looks the same all the way around. Y'all ready to open up and see what's in here? It just slides out. Looks like, yeah, it just slides out. Let's put it. Let's see. Oh, in another box. Got a box in a box, guys. Okay, there we go. Just a black box now, huh? Got a little tab. Yep, got a little tab right there. Okay, guys, let's open this thing up and see what's in it. Okay, let's look at how beautiful they got this thing packaged up. Open it up, see what it looks like the first time out. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right. Oh, bunch of little boxes. Okay, so we got a remote control in that box. And the launch monitor's in this one. And then this is going to be the battery. This is some golf balls look like. And this would be your swing stick. Yeah. So let's slide that over here and let's start here. Let's just look. See what they got. Oh, okay. And they got boxes in boxes, don't they? Yeah, they do. There's another box in that box. Look at that. Okay. Club head speed 70 to 100. Ball flight straight. Driver spin low. Wedge spin great. Trajectory high. And feel mid soft. So there's the balls they send with it. There's 3 of those. So let's see what they look like here. Let's pull one out and check it out, as I was saying, Gary. Okay, there's your dot pattern. It's a 5-dot pattern repeating over the ball, in case y'all don't see that. So, now, they say that these work better, just like an RCT ball would on the other one, but we don't know how good they're gonna work yet, so we're gonna find it out, okay? We're gonna work on all that, so. Let's see, I've got the battery right here. Let's pop that out, look, see. Got a box in a box again. Okay, 6,000 milliamps. Yeah, okay. That should work. Remote control. Let's see what that looks like. I think it's just a simple little remote control, but let's look and see. There's some wires. There's the remote. There's a book. And another cable. And some stickers and batteries for that remote. Okay, and there's your charging cable. So, okay, got that. Let's see what this launch monitor looks like. Y'all ready? Y'all ready to see what the launch monitor looks like here? Let's see it come out the pack. Okay. Now, it's in a little plastic bag. Let's peel the plastic bag off of there. Okay. Now, there's your Type-C charging cable. It's on the bottom, so it sits down like that. It's got this rod that pulls up out of here. Understand you use that to figure out how far it goes to your ball. We got to figure that all out. This is not a how you do it video. This is what it looks like video. Pretty solid build. Battery goes. Battery compartment. Oh, that's nice. Solid. A light here and 2 buttons. Pretty solid build. Feels good. I know the part everybody loves to see. Y'all ready? I know y'all love this, don't you? Don't y'all love this part? Watch it. Watch it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. There's a camera, there's a camera, and there's your infrareds. It's got a little weight to it. It's got a pretty good hefty machine. Let's say it's gonna sit on the floor and stuff. I gotta figure that out. Now, I can tell you, I gotta set this beside my mat, and there's a problem because, well, everything beside my mat's all crooked. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a stand that this thing can set in that can level, and so with my garage floor crooked like that, it can level to the floor. So yeah, that's nice. That's cute. I like it. It's handy. It's not huge. We're gonna get the cable out and hook it up and let it charge a while. So we're gonna do that. Okay, got a nice big heavy type C cable. Look at that. Okay, so we'll go find a place to charge that up. And here's your remote, like I said. Pull that out and look at it. We'll have to look this up. You can change clubs here, and volume, turn the speaker on and off, and all kinds of stuff. We'll figure that out. Swing stick, made in Korea. Got that? Let's open this thing up and look and see what the swing stick looks like here. Okay. It looks like a little short golf club, don't it? Okay. Got a nice rubbery grip. Sensors, and then it's got a little sensor bar right there, and sensors here. So I guess you hold this and aim it where you go and try to swing it and make it happen. Now, the Golf City guy said this was a little inaccurate, so I don't know how good it's going to be. But here's where it might come in handy. I'm going to be staying for 4 days keeping the grandkids, and I don't have my simulator. So not having my simulator, maybe this will come in handy. So we're going to give it a good test for the next few days and get all that working, guys. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to figure that all out, get this thing working, charged up, get it doing its things, and then we'll figure out what all it does, and we'll just report back, charge it up. But I want to do some measuring. Now, it's 7.5 inches tall, 2.5 by 2.5. And then for my other buddies, this thing is 6.5 by 6.5, and then about 18.5 millimeters tall. So see how it does, you know. This should be fun, guys. A new adventure. It's camera based, and I'm hoping the thing is, all them issues we've had with radar interference in the past, I'm hoping they're all gone, and I hope this does exactly what we're planning on. So we're gonna run it through its paces. It'll be testing the next couple of days with just basic stuff, the swing stick, and then as soon as I can get back to my simulator, I'll run you some stuff on the simulator with the bigger stuff, and yeah, we'll save everything and do all that, okay? So, hey, y'all take care. I'm gonna figure it out right quick, and I'll report back on it quick as I can.